Okay, day 4. Mama's sitting on the nest. We've had a bunch of wind today, so I've been a little concerned, but looks like she's up there with them. I have leaves in the way today, so it's hard to see, but we'll keep an eye on her, see if she leaves and Dad comes in and feeds babies or not.
They're up there.
Okay, Dad just flew into the tree.
Mom's already left.
Oh, Mom left, I guess. I missed that.
Yeah, she's gone.
Okay, so let's see. He's not on the nest. There, he's on the nest now.
Oh, there's heads.
We've got... Yeah, this is a different view and the leaves are in the way. But we can see one real good. Actually, two really good. I don't know if there's a third one there. But this is day 4. We'll check in a day or two and see if more have hatched, but we don't want to traumatize Mom and Dad too much. Okay, I think he's done. Oh, I thought Mom was coming back, but she went to a different tree. I think we have a nest in another tree in the backyard. We just haven't.
Right up there.
Yeah, we haven't looked for it yet. Well, I don't know if I've got Mom or Dad on the nest. Actually, it looks like it might be both of them. Is it both of them? No. Oh no, that's a baby I'm seeing. The wind is up again, so I don't know how much we're going to be able to see. Got a couple of robins on the ground, so I don't know if one of them's gonna fly up there in a second or not. So I will keep a lookout. Okay, it looks like she's feeding. I can see two, well, I saw 2 baby heads. Like I said earlier, we'll go up in a day or two and see if more has hatched. Okay, had somebody fly in. Looks like somebody just flew out. So let's see if they hop on the nest real quick. See what we might be able to see through these leaves. I'm thinking Dad. Unfortunately, we're not getting a good look. Oh, there's a couple of little heads. The leaves are in the way though, darn it. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. And they're gone. Dad doesn't stay as long as Mom does. Okay, well, that's all for today, day 4. Hopefully tomorrow the leaves will cooperate. Thanks.